the Alumni Homecoming 2013.
Sa iyo, Diyos, ang pagpapala sa natatayang gabing ito ng aming pagsasaya. Ang sama-samang pagdiriwang na ika-50 taon ng Carlos Albert High School. Pagpalain mo, Diyos, ang bawat isang lahat dito mula sa class 67 hanggang sa pangkasalukuyan. Nawa ang diwa ng kapatiran at pagmamahalan at pagtutulungan ay maghari sa bawat isa. Sa iyo nagmula ang kasaysayan ng aming paaralan at ang aming buhay. Mula noon at hanggang ngayon, patuloy mo kami ginagabayan tungo sa mabiyayang buhay. Nawa ang walang katapusang kamustahan sa gabing ito ay maging daan sa bawat isa sa amin para higit pang pag-alabi ng kapatiran iyong pinagbuklod sa paaralang ito. Ito ang aming dalangin sa iyo, Diyos, ikaw na nabubuhay at tagahari ngayon at magpakailanman at magpasawalang hanggan. Amen. Sa ngalan ng Ama, Anak at Espiritu Santo.
Ms. Salina Magalong, the incoming president of the Alumni Association, the members of the staff of Carlos Albert High School, Ms. Lorel, Ms. Garden, former teachers to mention some, Ma'am Luxin Bonal, Grace Universitation, the former administrators, the alumni of the different batches, a pleasant evening and welcome back to your home. We at Carlos Albert High School put forth all efforts so that the school will remain your place to come home, a place where you can be proud of. We guarantee you that our school, your alma mater, will remain devoted to the quest of honor and excellence. Moreover, I am so greatly honored to be abounded by the many eminent, distinguished alumni from different batches of the school, Carlos Albert High School. On this evening of unanimity, togetherness and sharing of stories and recollections, I would like to welcome you all to the 50th anniversary of this school. For 50 years, our beloved institution has grown young men and women from all walks of life, from different places in the country that brings Carlos Albert High School spirit as they pursue their lives and professions in multiple parts of the country and abroad. This year's alumni homecoming with a theme: 50 years of excellence delivers an unparalleled chances to see old friends, meet new ones, learn about the different changes happening in Carlos Albert High School, and ponder once again the memories of their stay here in Carlos Albert High School. I am fervently hoping that this year's alumni homecoming will be extraordinary and unforgettable for everyone. Once again, welcome and thank you for the presence and enjoy the night.
They have decided to submit a resolution renaming Galas High School Carlos L. Albert High School. So karamihan po na nandito ngayon ay produkto na po ng Carlos L. Albert High School. Can we see the hands?
High School. What is the letter L stands for?
Anyone?
Anyone?
Dapat daw alumni.
Lukban.
Wow, Lukban.
Lukban.
I know not everybody inside the cover knows Lukban. It's Honorable Carlos Lukban Albert, the former Vice Mayor of Quezon City during Mayor Amoranto's time. Wow, very historical.
Hindi ka ng prize na nakasagot. Para may
National prize.
Ha? What? Now, how about calling our teenagers? Ano, alalahanin naman natin ating teenage years, di ba?
Teenage years ni Ma'am ha? Kasi teenager pag ako ngayon. Wala na mag-reklamo.
Wala na.
Minsan lang naman to ah.
Oo nga, di ba? So, let's call our teenage years and let's ride in time machine 50 years back. So guys, just sit back and relax.
Let's watch Carlos Albert High School noon at ngayon. Pero nung mas bata pa po ako.
Okay.
Ba't tumatakbo kami sa field, ma'am? Kasi nga field na po yan nung nung nag-aral po ako dito. So wala nang tibag.
Wala nang tibag.
Kayo ma'am, ano yung naalala mo sa tibag dito ba tumatakbo dito kayo?
Ay, hindi pa kumaka ka sa tibag. Puti kayo na sa puti ka dadampunin. Pero gusto ko lang kakawin ito na sa batch 18 namin. Mas more on yung present na ginagawa namin. Last October 5, meron kaming get together. Grabe, very close ang batch 18 sa Casa Pura. And there are a lot of people, okay? Yung mga batch namin na nasa abroad, they sponsor, they send money. Ang kukulit, saan kami magpapadala ng pera?
Very generous.
Yeah. Sabi ko mga taga-abroad, di ba, Sally? Oh.
Thank you, Batch 80. Habang busy po tayo naghahanda, dito talaga nakuha pa talaga ninyo magkaroon ng inyong get-together. Talaga ng mga pinaghandaan ng Batch 80 to, no? Lahat naman din po ng different batches, I know, you really prepared for this night. And before this night, talagang nagkaroon tayo ng mini-group homecoming, mini-group reunion, I should say, para po talaga mapaghandaan natin yung pagdating natin ngayong gabi.
That's right.
And of course, tonight, we are very much honored to have with us our school principal, Dr. Agapito Lera, our teachers, our former teachers, Mrs. Nieves Locsin, and Miss Irene Dinero, and the present faculty of Carlos and Albert High School. Welcome to this event.
Welcome po.
And we also have our students in the journalism to take some shots, write news about this big night.
That's right.
Pero alam niyo kung ba, teachers, baka naisip po ninyo na kaya po namin kayo inimbitahan ay para na nandito. Kami po ang bida dito. Joke lang po. Kaya dapat ngayon, quiet lang po kayo. Kami naman yung madaldal. At dapat hindi ako gantihan ng mga estudyante mo magsimula sa isang linggo.
Ano ko lang dyan? Well, more serious note, we should, dapat alalahanan natin. Gusto ko personally, i-acknowledge kung paano yung mga teachers natin nagkaroon ng impact sa pagkakiba natin, kung paano nahubog yung aming pagkatao. Kahit na gaano po kami kalayo, kahit nasan po kami nakarating, napakasarap kong bumalik at maalala kung paano kami nahubog. Kasi hindi po kami nag-successful sa ibang bansa kung hindi po namin natandaan kung paano nyo kami hinubog.
Hindi na tuwag sa ibang bansa, pati tayo dito nagtatrabaho sa Pilipinas.
Yeah. Pero kasi nga kami sa ibang bansa, kaya nasabi ko yun, kasi pag napunta ka sa ibang bansa, na-merge ka na ba? Parang minsan, you tend to nakakalimutan mo na, you tend to blend in. Pero dahil sa ganda ng paghubog niyo sa amin, na nagiging ko sa puso namin kung paano niyo kami tinutulog.
Mabalang na kasi sa totoo lang, this is an honest confession. Transfer lang po kasi ako ng third year ako.
Ganun?
Opo. Pero talagang whenever I speak about my high school days, will always be Carlos and Albert High School. Alam mo, mag-advisor ko ng 3rd year si Mrs. Gloria Tenco.
Oh, teacher ko siya sa Pilipino.
She's a good Filipino teacher.
That's right.
Pero alam mo, ma'am, the teacher who really touched me to become a teacher was really Sir Alexander Garcia. Sir, may you rest in peace. He is really the one who's really touched me to become one like him. Talagang saludo ako, sir. And to the rest of all the teachers of Carlos Albert High School.
Saludo po kami sa inyo. Maraming po salamat.
Salamat po sa lahat ng mga teachers na talagang patuloy po tayong hinuhubo. Pag napapansin ko, pumipigil na tayo masyado. Parang gusto na natin umuwi.
Parang gusto na natin umuwi?
Hindi, actually po, hindi naman sa gusto namin umuwi. Gusto na po namin bumaba para makasama yung mga batchmates namin. Ang hirap yata nung nangyari ko sa taas. No, parang mas masarap na catchy-visa naman namin yung mga batchmates namin. Pero konting sacrifice naman for everybody. No?
Okay.
Alam mo naman nung nag-college tayo, I always remember the movie Mr. Holland Opus. He's a music professor. He's really good at teaching music. Pero napaka-strict niya talaga, ma'am. Grabe talaga. Talagang hinahampas na talaga yung batin ba yan yung ginagamit ng music teacher, yung mga estudyante. Whenever they commit mistake. But at the end, kung mag-retire na si Mr. Holland Opus, talagang grabe yung concern at love na pinakita ng estudyante. They even group together and they sang and performed for Mr. Holland Opus retirement day. Grabe talaga yung impact ng teacher na yun sa kanyang mga estudyante.
Oh. And speaking of performance, okay, and it is wonderful. Meron tayong wonderful performance na sila po yung gusto ko nilang katunayan meron pa rin sila ex-actor. O diba? So, palakpakan lang natin ang batch 1968.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Kami po ang Batch 68. Ako po ay si Guillermo Manilin at ang aking high school de la Puente, Rosalinda Isip, si Evelyn Macaser, Violeta Alhambra, and Colonel Costales. Yan, Emerson Costales. Sasayaw sana kami, pero kakanta na lang kami. Kami po ang
sasabayan lang po kami sa kanta.
Sasabay lang po kami sa kanta at you watch our class video. Okay?
hindi lamang ito ang talagang pinaghandaan ng Grand Alumni Council. The Grand Alumni Council really worked hard and is really working hard to really help our beloved alma mater. Siyempre, kasama namin kayo mga nasa abroad dyan.
Siyempre!
Kapag konting text lang sa inyo, konting tawag lang sa inyo, talaga you extend